Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. Today I have a brand new pickup that I was able to get from Finish Line. This one I had to kind of hunt down locally so I could get them the day they released. But it wasn't that bad. I personally thought these were going to sell out super quick. They're still sitting on Finish Line and on Sneakers app, so if you really want these, you can find these. But it is a pair of Nike Vapormax that released. I haven't gotten a gray pair like this yet. I have a few that are kind of grayish, but this one is just like a solid gray. Plus, there's a little bit of something in there that I really like. So these babies right here are dubbed the Vapormax Kaleidoscope. I guess just because it has all the different colors in there, but these things are super nice. It's like an asphalt gray upper Flyknit, similar to the asphalt gray Vapormax that came out earlier, I think last year. Those were super nice. I just never got a pair, and now you can't pretty much. But these have like a multicolor hit on the toe and on the heel, and it's kind of speckled in throughout the whole shoe as well. But I really love the gray. Like, I don't have a gray Vapormax like this yet. And then the multicolor was just a top selling point for me. I love multicolor stuff, especially on Vapormax. So this was a no-brainer. A couple cool details to note is right here, this swoosh is all 3M in metallic silver. Same as the back right here, this is Vapormax. The multicolor is pretty much the same as my Air Max Day Vapormax that I had customized. I think those are pretty much the same as this, just this is gray. Another thing to check out is the bottom. It's not clear, it's like a smoky translucent color, which is dope because it won't yellow over time. Here with the tongue, you just get the Nike tag and your Flyknit tongue, which is pretty stretchy, and that's pretty much it. So really the big selling point for me was the multicolor, and of course just a gray Vapormax like this. They did have a monotone pack that they kind of released on the Nike app, where it was just like a solid gray, and I thought those were really nice too. But when I saw these were releasing, I knew that these were the ones I needed to get. I love that multicolor hit in there, and these were just a must cop for me. I went out of my way to go pick these up when I could have just ordered them, but I wanted them same day, so I ended up getting them. So that was just a quick little overview on the Nike Vapormax Kaleidoscope. Super dope model. I love the Vapormax. I love the colorway. It was just a must cop for me. Let me know down in the comments below if you were wanting to pick up this one or if you even knew these were dropping, because there wasn't really any hype that was building up to these. They kind of just dropped out of nowhere. Hey, but that is going to be it. Just wanted to give you a quick little rundown of the new colorway of the Nike Vapormax that Nike dropped yesterday. Really love this shoe, and hopefully they do some more multicolor iterations like this. I wouldn't mind a white one, maybe even like a light gray, something like that. That would be dope. But that is going to be it for today. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.